Hi there, my name's Elliott Lidstone. I'm the head chef of Boxy in Bristol. This is a real chef collaboration for real kombucha. And today I'm going to make a warm potato salad with smoked mackerel and some pickled cucumber. So I've got some new potatoes that I cooked earlier. They're still nice and warm, and I've also got some pickled cucumber. So for this I've made a pickling liquor about an hour ago with 100 grams of vinegar. So I use cider vinegar, you could use white vinegar, champagne vinegar, anything you want that you've got in the cupboard. 50 grams of caster sugar and 100 grams of water. I brought that to the boil, let it cool, and then I took half a cucumber, took out the middle and sliced it into thin half moons. And then, like I said, I left it for about an hour. If you want to double the recipe and do a whole cucumber, you could do that. And just leave it in the fridge and it will stay fine for a couple of weeks, and you can just use it on anything you want, cheese, in a sandwich, whatever you like. You can also use it this basic pickling liquor for fennel, for example. You could slice it really thinly, or carrots, or beetroot. The only difference is once you've sliced the fennel, for example, bring the pickling liquor to the boil and pour it on just so it wilts it a bit better. The reason I did it in a cold liquor for this one is so the cucumber stays nice and green. So new potatoes, I'm going to mix it with the dressing I made earlier with some more cider vinegar, Dijon mustard and some olive oil. So I'm just going to lightly dress it. And then in there I've got some gherkins, some pickled gherkins which are in the store cupboard at home, and some Lilliput capers. Again, I always have them in the fridge at home because they just add a little bit of a zing. Some finely chopped spring onions, again as much or as little as you want, and if you've got any herbs, parsley, dill or chives, they work really nice as well. Give it a good mix, season it, loads of black pepper because that's great with fish and mackerel, and then all I need to do is plate it up. So I've got my plate, my warm potato salad. I've taken my mackerel earlier, which took out the fridge and just brought it to room temperature, so it's nice sort of goes with the nice warm potatoes. I've just flaked this very slightly, the smoked mackerel, and taken any bones that I've seen, because nothing worse than finding a big mackerel bone in your main course or starter, whatever size you want to do it. Some of the pickled cucumber, so just take it out around the dish. I've got some lovely radishes that slice really thinly. Again, you can do this you can pickle these as well, they work really nicely. A few of these around, nice and pretty. A bit of cucumber. And I've got some mustard cress, which I bought from the local greengrocers. It's like so cheap, 50p for a punnet. But I also bought some seeds so my two young girls can grow some, and we can use that in sandwiches or on any kind of salady dishes. So there we go. There's the potato salad, warm potato salad with the smoked mackerel and pickled cucumber. And today I'm going to be serving that with dry dragon, so citrus notes, which will work really nicely with the smoked mackerel to cut through it, and also work really well with the pickled cucumber. Cheers.